Hi, welcome to this special Forex demo video. My name is Vince Black, and please pay close attention for the next few minutes because I am going to show you a unique way to help you make more profits each trading day. I am talking about $100 extra per day, or even thousands of dollars or much more. It all depends on how serious you take this opportunity and how serious you are with trading. What I have in my hands for you is a unique trading system that doesn't require much experience, capital, and time to work with. This is a done-for-you solution that will give you all the profitable signals that you only need to follow to make profits. You will be able to discover all the principles behind the system as well. And this is not a robot, which means you can take 100% control of your trades. That means you can have an overview about how the system works. For more details, you can refer to my personal letter below. In the meantime, to not waste any of your precious time, I'll quickly show you the system in action right now. Okay, let's open the pair GBP USD timeframe H1. Remember, it uses proprietary indicators which absolutely don't repaint. The system will display everything nicely visually on the chart. Where to enter, where to exit, stop loss, take profit, everything. As you can see, we had 4 winning trades, no losses in just over 3 days, on one currency pair. Remember that we can trade the system on many pairs, and we can use different time frames as well. And let's just see how many pips these 4 trades produced. The first long trade produced 100 pips. Then the next short trade, 85 pips. The third long trade gave us 100 pips. And the last short one produced 75 pips. So totally 360 pips were made in 3 days on a single currency pair. Now you know how profitable, not to mention each trade took me 5 to 15 minutes to identify. And after that, it's set and forget. I don't even need to move a finger. Now let's go to the pair Euro USD timeframe 1H again. What you can see here is 3 winning trades. Again, no losses. The first long trade gave us 105 pips. The second short trade is 105 pips too. 83 pips are produced by the third long trade. So another 293 pips were made in total with this pair, only in 3 days. Please note that this system also includes trade assistance software that will identify profitable signals, entry/exit, stop loss/take profit on autopilot, and give you alerts via email or sound. In addition, with this system, you'll learn when to enter and exit a trade, so you'll never have to stress and worry about whether you are making the right decision or not. How to ensure at least a 2-to-1 reward ratio on every trade you make. Strict money management principles that will ensure you steadily grow your wealth and never wipe out your account. How to make money in any market conditions, including up, down, or sideways. How you can be a big winner even if you lose 70% of your trades. How to use pyramiding to maximize profits while minimizing risk. How to use leverage to explode your account balance in no time, even if you started with just $100. So, are you ready to eliminate stress and uncertainty and start making big money trading Forex? If so, this is the system for you. Please find more details in the personal letter below now. Thank you for your attention.